This is Captain Carter shield that I made out of cardboard and foam. It's actually my original Captain America shield that I made a couple months ago, so I just repainted. But I will show you a quick look of the making in case you haven't seen my first shield video. So first I make 20 to 21 pieces of triangles like this. It's to make the shield shape. I have a template in the description so you can use that. I bent the cardboard and glue it together to make a shield shape, and I use wood glue and hot glue to stick them all. Then I cut the shield edge a bit to make a perfect circle, and I use foam to make some rings to layers the shield. And in the center of the shield I made a star like this, but you didn't need it if you make a Captain Carter shield. Okay, now we're back to repainting the shield. I need to cover the star texture first with sawdust and wood glue mixture, sand it to make it even and smoother, and then I applied white wall paint as the primary color. If you want to make the color darker, you can use gray color. Sand it when the paint is dry and add the second coat, wait until dry and sand it again. I colored the blue ring first, so I covered the other parts of the shield with masking tape. When you are spraying the paint, make sure to make a thin coat first. 2-3 times thin coat method is much more optimal than one thick coat. You can use paper to cover the shield, so you don't have to use too much of masking tape. I also have a template of a Captain Carter logo that I made in the center of the shield. I will show you how to use it. We need to draw the template on the masking tape on the shield. Just make dots following the template and connect all the dots with lines. After drawing the template, now cut the masking tape with utility knife. Just do it slowly for good result. Remove the cross and the red part so we can paint it. Don't throw the tape because we are going to need that when we painting the other parts. After the red parts, now the blue parts. But you need to cover the red parts first before painting. Cover the blue parts again so we can work on the silver parts. The reason I painted the silver parts at the last because the paint that I use has something like glitter that is not really sticking on the paint. So if I add masking tape on it, the masking tape could peel off the paint. Okay, when you are done, you can remove the tape. You have to remove the masking tape very carefully because you could peel off the paint like this. But if it's peeling this small, we still can fix it. I realized that the color of the shield is too bright because I used white color as the primary color. but we can make the color a bit darker by weathering method with shoe polish like this. Alright guys, this is my Captain Carter shield. Yeah, I know her appearance in Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness was meh, but it's still pretty cool though. In the next video, I'm gonna make it a magnetic shield so we can play with it. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. And while you are waiting, maybe you can watch my other videos. Thank you.